You may approach.
Thank you, Your Highness.
So, what are you two doing?
We're packing.
Uh-huh. And where are you going?
Oh, we're very excited. We're going on our first big long trip in the cottage RV.
So, you're leaving me behind. Again.
Oh, no. No, Your Highness, you're going with us.
What? In that big old noisy thing that won't stay still? I don't think so.
Well, we'll see, buddy. We'll see. Tiny house prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill,
And I'm Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper.
and we are leaving this morning for our first real RV trip. You know, we've had this thing for a year and a half.
Right.
And we've taken a couple of short, 4-day weekend type trips that were just one day away.
Like the Adirondacks and
Yeah.
stuff like that. Yep.
But
sons.
this is going to be a real over-the-road trip. So where are we going?
Well, my mom's memorial is in Missouri, and a bunch of family are coming, so we'll be going to that.
Yeah.
And
She passed in February
yeah,
in California.
yeah.
But she's from Missouri, and that's where all of her family is. So we're going to be having a memorial service there with all the family gathering together. So
Beautiful, quaint little Baptist church, and they have the little family cemetery. That there's a lot of my family that are there. So yeah, it'll be nice to see everybody, and a lot of my like great aunts and stuff are all cooking a dinner for everybody. It's sweet down home people. I just love them.
right. And so we're going to travel a little different than we usually do, because usually for something like that we would just get in the car and drive until we get there.
Yeah.
Say 18 hours or something. And it's just exhausting. That's the way we've always done it. But now that we have this cottage RV that we're pulling behind us here, we're going to take our time.
Yeah.
We're going to take a few days to get there and just learn the systems and learn the trailer. And
Yeah.
we've done a couple of shakedown trips in the cottage, but really this is the first real shakedown trip to find out not only how the water works in the trailer, but just all kinds of things about how to travel with it.
Yeah.
So that's what
Yeah.
we'll be doing. And then after the memorial, we'll be there a few days, and then we have another 2 weeks of tripping planned that we're going to
Yeah.
travel all around and see family and see places, but we'll take you with us.
We have determined that his dad, that Pop will be okay for a certain period of time. He's got people around there with him, and he
Right.
likes his little place. And so we're going to try one of the longer trips now. And we'll still be able to keep in contact with how he's doing, but can't go much longer than this. But this is our first longer one.
Right.
Yep.
Right. So, I watch Brian from Adventure Van Man all the time. So, as he always says,
He's neat.
away we go.
Yep. Woohoo! Hello.
So, all of you guys who are RVers are going to laugh at us. But this is the first day out, and we just stopped for gas, stopped at a truck stop, stopped for gas, and then we parked in the back, and now we're sitting in our cottage eating lunch. And this is the first time we've ever done this. This is so cool to be able to actually sit down at a table, and you can see that even with the slide in, we have enough room to maneuver, even to get to the whole kitchen and everything if we need to. So we were able to get stuff out of the refrigerator, and this is cool. I'm enjoying this.
We are off on our adventure.
Yep. So I'm here filling up at Love's Truck Stop. And I was a truck driver for so many years that it feels funny to come into a truck stop and come to the back side where the gasoline is instead of over there where the diesel is. I also realize that ever since I've been a driver, I never fill up anymore. I always fuel up now. Well, so here we are, the first night of our trip. This is an absolutely beautiful park. I'll give you a tour of it in just a minute. It's called Silver Spring Campsite or Campground. It's actually a city park.
Yeah.
And it's in Stow, Ohio, and it's a Stow City Park. We have electricity hookup.
Yep.
We do not have full hookup. There's no, water and sewer, but there is a dump station and a water fill place. So, and it is $13 a night for residents and $15 a night for non-residents.
That's really
You
something.
can't beat the price.
Yep.
No reservations. It's come as you are. I mean,
First come, first serve.
First serve.
Yep.
I'm not doing very well today.
That's okay. We've had a long, very busy day.
And you just drive in and grab a spot, and then an attendant comes around and takes the money. So, absolutely beautiful place. We found this on ParkAdvisor app, and I think it's also on Campendium app.
Yeah, good apps.
So yeah, this is probably one we're going to make a regular stop for us.
The grass is green, the leaves are all budding, the temperature is gorgeous. I can hear birds.
Yep.
Oh, it's really, truly beautiful here.
Yep. So, it seems like all of our lives, whenever we would travel across the country, we would do like 18 hours a day and then get a hotel for 4 or 5 hours, and then another 18 hours. Or we'd drive 24 hours straight through with a 2-hour rest stop to sleep in a rest area someplace.
We were young.
Yeah, we were young and stupid. And so we've decided that now that we have this, we're going to take a completely different approach.
It's all about the journey.
So we did not leave real early this morning, and we stopped. We were here by 4:30, and we have time to relax, and
We're all set up.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it's a much better way to travel.
And we'll still be getting everywhere we need to be in plenty of time, for the memorial and for all the things we're going to be doing. So,
Right.
Yep.
So we're just going to spend the evening relaxing, and you gotta.
No, Mom, I got to get ready and get my study all done and do a tea with Jesus tonight. So I'll do it from
what am I
here.
talking about? Relaxing. At least we're not driving, but
Right.
She's doing tea with Jesus, and
Life goes on,
I got a bunch of videos to edit.
right? Business stuff to take care of, and but it's very nice here. We'll be very comfortable inside, and it's so pretty.
Yeah.
So it was a good day. It's not a super smooth ride, which is fine because it's a big strong truck for the RV, and so I jounce around a little bit, but I'm doing real well with it, and it's just a good length of day. I'm just ready to rest now. So anyway,
So let me take you on a little tour of this beautiful little park.
yeah, it's gorgeous.
So here's the park. It's a beautiful park. There are, I don't know, 27 or 30 places, something like that. Now this is in mid-April, and we are here in the middle of the week, so it's almost empty. But the guy just came by to register us and take our money, and he said that during the summer it's full all the time, especially on weekends and especially on holiday weekends. But this is just a beautiful place. And over on the other, continue on that way, there's a ballpark, and then on the other side of that there's actually flush toilets. Here there's just those. but there's actually flush toilets over on the other side. And then he was talking about a playground that's specifically made for handicapped kids. That's pretty cool. And then down this way, we drove in. There's a lake down there. Over there, there's some historic buildings and things like that. It's just a really cool place. I love this. Like I said, this is probably going to become a regular stop for us whenever we happen to be heading west. There's the electrical hookup right there. You can see that every one of them has an electric hookup. So we just left Silver Spring Campgrounds and we're on our way again. Where are we going? You'll have to wait until the next video to find out. Yep. So join us on the next video, follow us along. If you're enjoying seeing our adventure and seeing us blunder through things that we don't know yet and things that we're learning, then subscribe so you can see our next video, and please like the video.
Likes help.
Yep, they do a lot. Yep. Okay.
So, alrighty. Listen, love you guys. Live simple.
Live free. Be blessed.
See you later.
All right. Bye-bye.